also, if you have and you want to set up multiple authenticators, you can see right now on TikTok, you can only set up one authenticator app. But what if you have one on your phone and you have a different one on your computer, right? What you want to do is with this authenticator app, you can click on it and you can click settings and then click backup and click download backup file. Then on your new computer, you just download this Chrome extension. You're going to click this, backup, import backup, and you import it without it being encrypted. So you're going to import the backup. It's going to take you here. You import it, and then bada bing, bada boom. On both of your computers, now you'll have all of the same exact authenticator set up. So this is a trick because on Amazon, you can have as many authenticators as you want set up. On TikTok, you can only have one. So you need to duplicate that authenticator if you want to have it on multiple computers, multiple virtual machines, whatnot. So you also want to set up an authenticator so it's easier to log in, right? So you're going to go into seller-us.tiktok.com. You're going to go to my account, my profile. It's going to click this. This is where you can set up your authenticator, right? So you can do text message, email. I recommend to have all of these on, just have the backup so you can turn them all on. But this is the one I'm specifically talking about, and you can turn this on right here. And then we can set up the authenticator, right? So you can see scan it. And to get an authenticator, you can go to authenticator right here. And then, so just type in authenticator Chrome extension, right? You can use the first one, whatever, or you can use Authy. Authy is also really good. It's actually it's in your app store for all iPhones. That one's even better. But this is one, and you can just scan a code. So you'll go back here, scan the code, and then you click next. And then you can actually input that verification, allow it, and then input that verification code right here, confirm it. And then now you have authenticator two-step verification turned on for your account. Now this is going to be easier if you're logging into somebody else's TikTok account or your own. So you can turn these all on. So you have backup methods to log in and multiple ways to log into TikTok. You can also have a trusted device so that can skip two-step verification, and you can turn this on once you log in. So these are also a lot of different things you can do. Now you're just going to check back every day and make sure that everything is approved and good to go. Usually it does take around 48 business hours. It may take longer or shorter. And then if it's not approved, then you may just need to upload more documents and things like that. But make sure everything is, all the I's are dotted, all the T's are crossed. Like I said, middle name needs to match. Everything's got to be there. Now here's the seller. Here it is. So we're just going to do a quick overview of the Seller Center. So for Amazon, it's called Seller Central. For TikTok, Seller Center. And you can see your orders in the last. We've got visitors, and I'm not even, again, this is just a blank account right now. So you can have I already showed you how affiliates work. This is how you can create your own affiliate program to get those, like giving out free samples and things like that. And they have all of these different discounts, right? Create 5 flash deals, and they'll give you $200 in vouchers. Upload 10 new products. And again, this is usually only right in the beginning. So look, I only have 21 days left. So you should go through all of these and get as many vouchers as you can. Post one shoppable video. So you can connect your TikTok seller account with your own TikTok buyer account. And without having 10,000 followers, you can automatically promote your own products, like a commission, but you're not really making commission off your own product. You're generating sales for your own product. So you can make your own videos and be like, hey, look at my new product. Boost exposure. This is the home page, okay? And then they have suggestions. And if you want to manage customer service, it's right here, customer messages in the top right corner. If you've got any notifications, random stuff. Help. This is for contacting them, and help center. A lot of it's automated. Your shop name, your account, anything you want to edit, any orders that you have. You have 0 out of 50 orders for today. Your account will be reset. So it looks like they put in a new policy where if you're new, you can only have 50 orders a day. And then once they start trusting, that way you don't scam people. And then once they start trusting you, then you can do more. So you can see the one's been shipped. This is just within the last returns. Fulfillment settings. Warehouse settings. Where are you shipping from? Order handling capacity. Automation. Shipping and delivery. Where do you want to ship to? Is your shipping going to be free? Cancellations. Do you want to have automated cancellations? Returns. You can have return lists. This is new exchange service. They can exchange items. Co-funded free shipping. So they have fulfilled by TikTok. It's a lot different than fulfilled by Amazon. Like it's not an actual like Amazon warehouse. It's with ShipBob, but you can join this program and then they give you incentives, right? TikTok and seller, and this is if you ship it yourself. You still get incentives. Here's your products where you can create your products. And then they actually tell your listing quality, and you want to get this in the green section. You want to get it to great. So you can optimize your listing quality, edit, duplicate, optimize, set alert, create ad. You can see how much we have in stock, your SKUs. When you create your items, you want to have the same exact SKU as Amazon. Product ratings, product optimizer, and it's going to tell you how to optimize your listing. It uses AI, a lot of it, so we can kind of go through this later. Manage your stock, product opportunities, big sign if you want to, it's just an agreement. Oh, you have to do a whole refresh just to get through that. Add premium products to TikTok shop to unlock rewards. So premium opportunities. So if you wanted to add, I guess, other people's products. Sales accelerator. You can see numbers of orders, benefits, potential products, growing, maximize visibility, drive more sales with sales accelerator. This is fulfilled by TikTok. A lot different than fulfilled by Amazon. There you go. Order protection. Shoppers can combine products from multiple fulfilled by TikTok shops to meet the $30 minimum free shipping. So eligible products will also be displayed with a free 3-day delivery badge. Fulfilled by TikTok reimburses you when customers claim the order did not arrive. So again, TikTok protection can be very, very helpful from scammers. And then you can see the fulfillment costs. If you fulfilled it yourself, TikTok, if you paid via TikTok shipping, you fulfilled it yourself. Again, I'm going to be showing you how to get Amazon to fulfill it for you. TikTok shipping or fulfilled by TikTok. The total cost includes 75 cents per unit and fulfilled by TikTok. Ads, promotions, your shop page, campaigns, TikTok funded program. There's so many things here. The affiliates, I already showed you how to use affiliate. Live and video, so you can have your own live videos promoting your own product. Live selling. We hit our first record in just one live of $100,000. It's crazy. Growth opportunities. So again, the vouchers. I only got 4 days left to do these. They got new seller camp. Apps and agencies. You can find agencies in here. Certified agency. Okay. Analytics. To see how everything is going, all your sales. Of course, your account health, so your shop health, your TikTok account health, right? Because if you violate policies and buy your own products and leave reviews, TikTok will find out. They've got like super algorithms. Your finances, your overview, and your taxes. And that's kind of it for TikTok shop overview. So a lot of stuff here. You definitely want to go through it. It's not like Amazon, but it's different and you want to learn how to use it.